Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We put the negative sign in here. So because I want to change cosine x minus 1 into 1 minus cosine x. So if we put negative with this one, then we change back to cosine x minus 1. Next, we multiply by 1 plus cosine x on numerator and denominator. This is about identity, so we will change for 1 minus cosine x squared. And this one we change for sine x squared. This one in here, we need to expand. Secant of x, that's about 1 over cosine x. Cosine x with cosine x, we simplify and we have negative number 1. 1 minus 1, they cancel. And now we have cosine x divided by this one, secant of x divided by this one. Now I will go to this one first. So we need to use about integration by substitution. U equal to sine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We have cosine x dx. Sine x in here we change for u and we have u squared. Cosine x dx we change for du. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over u, and we put about c. About u, that's about sine x. Now, let's go to the next one. Secant of x, that's about 1 over cosine x. Number 1, that's about sine x squared plus cosine x squared. Sine x squared divided by sine x squared, cosine x squared divided by cosine x. So we will have about 1 over cosine x plus cosine x over sine x squared. This one we change for secant of x. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of secant of x, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of x plus tan x. This one we just already did that. That's about this one in here, and we just put about this one. And we put about c. Now let's go back to this one. So we have negative in here, so we keep about negative. Cosine x over sine x squared, that is about this one. Minus this one, that is about this one. Now we need to simplify. Negative of this one, negative with negative of this one, we have positive. We simplify this one with this one, so we just have this one left. Negative, negative, we have positive. And that is the final answer.